everybody, this is MTV MuajTseeb. We're here for a friend's photo shoot with Kong Vu, and then with my board with me right now, and all my friends. There's a lot of them, so I cannot tell you the name. And then yeah, just wanted to have some memories, pictures, everything. When you have pictures, look at them, and then remember all the great times and everything. So that's what we're here for. And then for those of you who are not here today, you're missing out. So we're having a good time right now. So yeah, check it out. Right here.
Hey, this is Kong, KdFotos. I have a photo shoot with MuajTseeb, his cruise.